Want to hide apps on your Google Pixel phone? In this video, I will show you how to use private space to lock and hide apps for extra privacy on your Google Pixel phone. First, go to Settings, and then type in the search private space, and then click on private space under security and privacy. Then over here, click private space. Make sure you have a lock screen. If you don't, then just set a lock screen. So I'm gonna set a pin. So here, let me just set my pin real quick. Here. And then once you have your lock screen set up, click on private space. Enter your pin. Then click on setup. And then here you can create a Google account for your private space, but I'm just gonna skip it, so just do it later. And then here you can choose a new lock for your lock screen. You can pick this, but I'm gonna choose the same lock screen, so I'm just gonna use the lock screen that I have right now. Then that's pretty much it. Just click on done. So to access your private space, just go and scroll to the apps, and then scroll all the way to the bottom. You will see the private space. Click on it and then enter your pin, and then now you have access to your private space. Here you can upload your photos, you can access your Google Chrome, and you can even install apps in the private space. Just make sure to sign into Google and you can download any apps you want. So that's pretty much it for the video. If you found it helpful, please subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.